Hey guys, and welcome back to the Tutorial Millennial channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can use photo templates on the VN Editor app. So go ahead and press templates, and you can choose from here, or you can even view more. But I'm just going to choose this one that requires just like one picture, and then I'm going to press use. I'm then going to select this picture, and then I'm going to press next. And you can even edit the text, so click on it and click on the text to edit. Oops. Okay, I'm just going to write on one. Press the check mark button, and then after that you are just going to export it, so press the right button on the top right corner and then press export. You can also change the file type, but I'm just going to choose JPEG. Then press export and it'll save automatically to your gallery. That is basically it. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below and I will try my best to answer them all. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!